I got for my birthday. So first, I'm going to go through this big bucket. First, I got this elephant poppet. Let's open it. And today I'm turning 9. This is pretty good. Next, I got a poppet ball, but it broke. And actually, it's pretty cool because look, you can actually just like do that. So I got this. I'm actually not sad about it. I don't even know what this is. I know it's a poppet purse, but let's see which one it is. It's a Hello Kitty one. Oh, it smells good. It also came with this little keychain thing. Garbage. Next, I got this giraffe poppet. The eyes are movable. Look. I'll show you guys. Let me take it out. Here. Oh my god, I can't open it. There we go. It's actually pretty creepy. Look, the eyes are movable. See? It's so creepy. But it's actually pretty nice. I never had a giraffe poppet before. Next I got 4 poppet bracelets. My favorite out of all of these is probably this one. Next I got 4 pop tubes. Let's test them out. Purple. Next green. Next orange. Last but not least, pink. That was pretty good. And I got the circle poppet. Let's open it. So happy. That is so good. I love this. So good. Now I got this heart poppet. Oh. Whoa! Oh, it flew out of my hand. That is cool. Oh my gosh, next I got this star mini poppet fidget spinner. And I also got the same thing but in a butterfly. It's really good pops. And then I got these mochis. First I got this bear. Garbage. Oh, it's so cute. It's a pink bear. Next, I got this, I think, panda? And I got this yellow bear that's in a circle. Weird. And then I got this purple hedgehog. Last but not least, oh my gosh, I have 2 crocodiles in my mochis pile, and I just got a blue crocodile. I have a green crocodile and a brown one. Now I have a blue one. And last but not least, a blue crocodile. That is all that is in this fidget box. Now we're going to go through this bag. You can obviously see some of the stuff. First I got this. Oh! It's for your change. I think there's coins in there. I don't know. There's something. No, but this is cool. Alright. Next, I can't believe I got this. I got a poppet wallet. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. That's so cool. Next, I got this popcorn squishy. So cute. It smells like popcorn. Next, I got this. Oh, where's the other one? The puzzle puppet. It's mostly Easter ones, but that's fine. The eye does not pop, if you guys were wondering. Let's test out the carrots. This one? Good. Next I got the Groovy Neato Pack. Banana, strawberry, and orange. Next I got this green dough ball. Then I got this pink and blue atomic Neato. And then I got this cupcake squishy. It smells like cupcakes. Oh my god. I think these are scented. Oh my god, and I almost forgot about these. I got this soft plushy poppet. This toast or egg. This watermelon. And then this donut. And last fidget of all. Oh wait, I have. So this bunny squishy. I'll be right back. I have to go get my other one. And I got my last fidget. Is this lamb. It also has this thing. So you could go like this. That's so cool. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. Turn those hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And subscribe. And after this video, like after this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be organizing my new fidgets. Love you guys.